The excitement in the smartphone world is reaching new heights as Vivo prepares to unveil its most anticipated flagship lineup. The Vivo X300 series, consisting of the Vivo X300, Vivo X300 Pro, and possibly a surprise entry, the Vivo X300 FE. Scheduled to launch in China on October 13th. Vivo has been steadily revealing bits and pieces of this futuristic series, keeping tech enthusiasts on the edge of their seats. However, recent leaks have just pulled back the curtain a little more, uncovering one of the most crucial aspects of any smartphone, the battery. According to trusted sources, the standard Vivo X300 will feature a robust 6,040 mAh battery, while the premium Vivo X300 Pro will step it up even further with a massive 6,510 mAh battery, both supporting ultra-fast 90W wired charging technology. Yes, you heard that right. These phones are not just about sleek design and powerful internals. They're also built to last longer and charge faster, making them ideal companions for heavy users, gamers, and content creators. What makes this even more exciting is the inclusion of wireless charging, something that truly solidifies the X300 series place among flagship devices. Meanwhile, reports from the European market have revealed another twist. A new Vivo phone carrying the model number V2537 has been spotted on the EEC certification website, and insiders are claiming this mysterious device could be the Vivo X300 FE, potentially a fan edition model designed for global markets. Although details about the FE are scarce, its certification hints at Vivo's clear intent to expand its powerful lineup beyond China, possibly into Europe and other regions soon after launch. Now, shifting gears of performance, Vivo has officially confirmed that both the Vivo X300 and X300 Pro will debut with the flagship MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset, the next-generation powerhouse designed to rival Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. This means users can expect lightning-fast performance, incredible energy efficiency, and next-level AI-driven capabilities that redefine multitasking and gaming on Android devices. But that's not all. Photography enthusiasts are in for a real treat, because Vivo has once again collaborated with Zeiss, the legendary optics brand, to bring pro-level imaging technology to smartphones. The X300 series will feature a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 2.35x optical zoom, and what's truly fascinating is Vivo's addition of a teleconverter accessory, allowing users to adjust the focal length for unprecedented versatility in smartphone photography. Imagine being able to shoot crisp, detailed images from afar with DSLR-like quality. That's exactly what Vivo aims to deliver. According to Vivo, the teleconverter has been specially designed to optimize the periscope camera's full potential, combining the power of hardware innovation with advanced AI image processing. In terms of design and display, Vivo is going all out. The standard Vivo X300 will feature a 6.31-inch AT-LTPO BOE panel with adaptive refresh rates and a jaw-dropping 1-nit minimum brightness, ensuring stunning visuals even in the darkest environments. Meanwhile, the X300 Pro will pack a larger 6.78-inch flat display, offering an ultra-smooth experience ideal for gaming, streaming, or just enjoying immersive content. Both models will maintain a sleek and ultra-thin 7mm profile, making them one of the slimmest phones in their class without compromising on battery or performance. Vivo's dedication to aesthetics and functionality is evident, and it's clear they're targeting not just power users, but also those who crave sophistication and style in their smartphones. Adding to the excitement, Vivo's Origin OS 6 has also been teased ahead of the launch, promising a cleaner design, smarter AI integration, and deeper customization options to enhance user experience. The UI is expected to bring new animations, gesture controls, and smoother transitions, perfectly complementing the high refresh rate displays on the X300 series. Now, if that wasn't enough, the leaks also confirm that Vivo is planning a tight integration between its hardware and software ecosystem, from AI camera optimization to seamless device syncing, giving tough competition to brands like Samsung and Apple. But there's more. The Vivo X300 Pro and iQOO 15 have also been spotted on Malaysia's certification site, further validating the global expansion strategy of the brand. Vivo clearly wants to position its X300 lineup as not just another smartphone release, but a statement of innovation and dominance in the flagship arena. It's worth mentioning that pre-orders for the Vivo X300 and X300 Pro are already live in China, allowing customers to reserve their devices via Vivo's official website ahead of the October 13th launch at 4:30 p.m. IST. This shows the confidence Vivo has in its product lineup. And judging by the leaks, that confidence seems more than justified. The combination of cutting-edge Dimensity 9500 power, massive batteries, 90W fast charging, 200MP Zeiss cameras, and stunning LTPO displays makes this lineup one of the most exciting Android releases of the year. Fans are already speculating that the X300 Pro might set a new benchmark for smartphone photography, challenging even the likes of the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Galaxy S24 Ultra in terms of zoom performance and clarity. Meanwhile, the rumored X300 FE could serve as a more affordable yet feature-rich model, helping Vivo capture the mid to premium market segment across Europe and other international regions. If we analyze the pattern of Vivo's recent strategy, it's evident that they're focusing on three key pillars: innovation, user experience, and global expansion. With the X300 lineup, Vivo seems to be pushing boundaries on all fronts, combining raw power with refined elegance. And let's not forget, the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset is expected to bring a massive leap in AI-based optimization, efficient thermal management, and support for advanced connectivity like Wi-Fi 7 and 5G dual SIM standby. For tech enthusiasts, this means smoother gaming, faster app loading, and better battery endurance. On the camera front, the Zeiss partnership continues to shine, with its unique color science, anti-reflective lens coating, and professional-grade telephoto performance, making the X300 series ideal for creators who love capturing life in ultra detail. Even the display specifications scream premium, with LTPO technology ensuring adaptive refresh rates between 1 Hz and 120 Hz, providing the perfect balance between power efficiency and smoothness. On the software side, Origin OS 6 could bring more intuitive AI suggestions, new multitasking features, and better integration with Vivo's ecosystem of wearables and accessories. As we move closer to launch day, the hype surrounding the Vivo X300 series is undeniable. Every leak, certification, and teaser has only amplified curiosity among users who are eager to see how Vivo's latest creation performs in real-world scenarios. Will it truly be the best flagship killer of 2025? Or will it redefine what we expect from modern smartphones entirely? Only time will tell, but one thing for sure, Vivo has crafted something truly special, blending design, power, and innovation into one compelling package. So, mark your calendars for October 13th, because that's when Vivo will officially lift the curtain on its X300 lineup, potentially changing the smartphone game once again. And if you're passionate about the latest leaks, in-depth reviews, and honest tech insights, don't forget TechVerse.